we are going to learn rules for divisibility. That a number is divisible by 2 when the digit at one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And whereas example 4, 2, 3, 5, 8, 2 and 4, 60, 28, 352. Whereas 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 9 are not divisible by 2 because they have 5 and 9 at the ones place. Next, divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 453. That 453, 4 plus 5 plus 3 equal to 12. 12 is normally divisible by 3. So next, divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed with its last two digit is divisible by 4. Suppose example 784936 is divisible by 4 since because 36 is divisible by 4. And next, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 when the digit at one's place is 0 or 5. So example is 34970 and 25685 are both divisible 5. And whereas 25654 and 9521 3723 are not divisible by 5 because they does not have 0 or 5 at the last or their ones place. Next, divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible both by 2 and 3 because 6 factors are 2 and 3. Same, suppose example 3672 is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Whereas 4586 is not divisible by 6 as it is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 when the difference between twice the digit at one's place and the number formed by the remaining digits is either 0 or a number divisible by 7. For example, 658 is divisible by 7